changing out this heating element now. First thing you do is unscrew this panel. You're gonna have two wires. You need to make sure when you do this that your power is disconnected at your pull disconnect or your breaker, whatever you want to call it. And now the next step is to disconnect the power. Let me come here so you can see it a little bit better. See that right there? We're gonna disconnect this power right here. Stay tuned to watch the continuation of this process. Plumbing inspired by James Goldman, a master plumber.